Welcome to MooMooMath and Science. In this video, let's go over how to convert 6/32 into a decimal without a calculator. So first, let's simplify by dividing numerator and denominator by 2. So now that gives us 6 divided by 2 is 3, 32 divided by 2 is 16. Now what we do is divide the numerator by the denominator. So let's go ahead and write the numerator here, add some placeholders, and put 16 on the outside. So now let's start dividing. 16 is larger than 3, so I'm going to put a 0 there. I'm going to bring up the decimal. Now 16 goes into 30 one time. 1 times 16 is 16. When we subtract this, that gives me 4 and 1. Bring down the 0. So now we have 140. 8 times 16 equals 128. When I subtract that, we have a 2 and then a 1. Bring down another 0. 7 times 16 is 112. So now we have 8 remaining. Bring down another 0, 80. So now 5 times 16 is indeed 80. So that gives me 0 left over. So 6/32 converted to a decimal is 1.1875 or 1,875 10,000th. I hope that was helpful.